Thomas and Percy arrived at the airport building site. They were bringing bricks and timber to the builders. Think of all the holiday makers, chuffed Thomas. And all the aeroplanes, puffed Percy. But then Harry and Bert arrived. Stinky Steamy's in the way again, mumbled Harry. Why do we have to work near them? Grumbled Bert. This made Thomas and Percy cross. They didn't want to work near the Diesels either. The Diesels were oily, and they were very different to the Steamies. Thomas doesn't like working with diesel engines. He thinks diesel engines are very different to steam engines. Can you see what's different about steam engines and diesel engines? Here's Thomas. Thomas is a steam engine. Thomas runs on coal. Now here's Harry and Bert. Do they run on coal? No. They run on diesel fuel. Not like steam engines at all. Here's Thomas delivering his bricks. Thomas is a steam engine. You can tell because he wheeshes steam. Here are Harry and Bert. Do they wheesh steam? No, they don't. That's because they're diesels. Diesels don't make steam, although they sometimes make nasty black smoke. How else are steam engines and diesel engines different? Did you hear that? That's Thomas's whistle. All the steam engines have whistles. But that didn't sound like a whistle. What was that noise? That's right, it was Harry and Bert honking their horns. Diesel engines don't have whistles. They have horns. Thomas doesn't like the sound of a diesel engine's honky horn. He thinks a steam engine's whistle is much nicer. So can you remember 3 ways that steam engines are different from diesel engines? Steam engines run on coal, and diesel engines run on diesel fuel. That's 1. Steam engines wheesh steam, but diesel engines don't make steam. That's 2. And steam engines can blow their whistles. Diesel engines don't blow whistles. They honk horns. That's 3. Steam engines and diesel engines really are very different.